everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm hiding here inside the car to do this quick intro. You guys know when I washed my husband's truck, I told you in that video that I'm not gonna be washing any cars until summer season is over. We live here in California, high desert. It gets very hot here during the summer. We average like 95 to 105 degrees on a good day. So yeah, it gets very hot here. Usually my husband takes care of the cars during the season, or we just take him to car wash. But this Mach-e, since we had it, I took it just one time to car wash. The one they just use soap and like water to spray on the car. They don't use the roller and the brushes. But I was still not happy with that. Like, I don't have the heart yet. I just love this car, and I know those things are not good for your car. So anyway, today we're having a good day here. It's like the high is going to be 80. We have gentle breeze, so I thought we can give this car a wash. Such a long story to tell you guys. We're washing this car today, but you guys are gonna be very proud of me because I'm here outside Walmart. Actually, I'm gonna go inside right now and pick up like a gentle car shampooer. I'm just trying to protect this car as much as I can, so you guys are gonna be proud of me. I'm not using this soap today, so we're gonna go pick out like a gentle car shampooer, professional one, and we'll see what else we can find. I'm also charging the car right now, so I'm just gonna go run and grab my stuff, and we'll actually just get started. We're gonna go home and get started on the video. But before we do, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up. Alright guys, so I'm looking at their wax stuff, and I know this is the McGuire's, it's the best stuff. I already have this at the house, but I want something quick for today, so I'm looking at this one. This one looks really cool. It looks like you spray it while the car is still wet. After you wash it and rinse it, you spray the stuff and then you dry it normally with microfiber cloth. So I think I'm going to give this one a try. Alright guys, so I'm back home right now. Still pretty sunny out here and kind of hot, so I'm gonna start by vacuuming first before we wash the car. So I got my big shop bag right here. I'm gonna get the stuff out of here. We have mask, water bottle. I'm gonna take care of that real quick, vacuum, and then maybe we can wash the car. Alright guys, so right now while the car is still wet, they want me to spray this wax on it and then we'll dry it. I might have sprayed a little too much of this spray wax, but I really like this stuff. This is our first time trying it, but it really made the car dry quicker, like, you know, easier I should say, and it was really nice. Where we're buffing it out right now, I can tell it's very shiny, it's very smooth on the paint. We really like it. This is our first time trying it, but I think we're gonna use it from now on.
This is actually kind of nice. I like filming. I'm your cameraman, Molly. I'm your director.
Alright guys, so I'm just finishing wiping down everything here, and I'll walk you guys around so you can see the car after. We've been really trying to take care of this car, not only because it is expensive, but you guys probably know this Mach-e is becoming an icon. I mean, after all, it is the first electric Mustang. I just read an article, it said Ford has already made more Mach-e's than regular Mustangs, and this is only the month of June. This is just like mind-blowing to me, but also I hope you enjoyed this video. Some of you may notice there wasn't any singing in any of the music today. I just want to try something different in this video, so I did just instrumental and not a lot of talking either. I just wanted it to be like really motivating but kind of relaxing at the same time. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!